everyone, welcome to my first Vlogmas. I am so excited to be here. So if you're ready for self-care, if you are ready for family fun, if you're ready for financial freedom as we prepare to go into 2025, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be telling you what I will be doing from the 1st of December to the 25th of December. I shall also be sharing with you. For this Vlogmas, I have decided to practice self-care. You can agree with me that self-care is not selfish, but it is essential. So I'm going to be pampering myself from the 1st of December till the 25th of December, and I will try to share with you as I go. Also, in addition to pampering and self-care routines, I am decluttering my space. I will be selling a lot of stuff on Facebook Market and on eBay. So it is not just about cleansing, but it is about extra cash in my pocket to buy gifts for my lovely family and my friends. Trust me, these small steps of self-care and decluttering your space could make you feel lighter and even more productive as we gear to go into 2025 in full force. Let's move to the exciting part. Now let us consider money-making tips for stay-at-home parents this Christmas season. Now you can sell homemade crafts or baked goods. Baked goods sells like crazy during festivities. Take advantage of the holiday season to start your freelancing journey, so you could look for gigs on platforms like Fiverr or even Upwork to make some extra cash this Christmas. Now let's consider selling decluttered items on Facebook Market. So those things you don't need anymore could actually be someone's treasures. So you can turn things around and sell them on Facebook Market. So if you've got old furniture, if you've got electronics, if you've got clothes you don't want to wear anymore, if you are not giving them to charity, then don't waste any more of your time. Declutter your space and start making money from it today. Now let's quickly consider some fun ideas for the family over this Christmas season. Stay with me, guys, please don't go away. You would agree with me that Christmas is about love and togetherness. So here are a few ideas of fun things you could do with your family this Christmas season. You can bake and decorate cookies together. You can have a DIY ornament making night. And you can also plan a cozy Christmas marathon movie with hot cocoa. Another fun thing to do this Christmas is to go for walks in your neighborhood. Enjoy the Christmas lights and Christmas decorations on the street. Here is what you can download for free on my channel. Made for you a December social media content calendar. I have also added a daily planner and activity sheets. Included are coloring book pages for you to enjoy with your family. And finally, we have a downloadable Christmas card. Share these virtual cards with your family and friends this Christmas. So as we wrap up, let's also not forget that this holiday season is a season of planning ahead for the future. So if you're looking for financial freedom in 2025, or you are looking to income stream diversification, then now is the time to plan. Thank you so much for joining me on this special Vlogmas journey. I hope you are excited as I am. So you can download your free Christmas cards, your free puzzles, and your free social media content planner. And which of these family ideas resonates with you the most? If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Let's win together.